So I'll just go straight to the first type of exam question and see if you already remember that type. How would you do this?
Would you get that, so x equals something?
You have forgotten. Let's see. What would you put in the box to get the answer?
Minus plus plus minus.
Okay. If they have the same sign, you subtract to get 0. If they have different signs, you add to get 0. How would you eliminate the y's for this one?
You just add them.
How would you eliminate the a's from this one?
Subtract.
Yeah. How would you do this one on the right?
Subtract them.
What do you get?
C equals 30.
And then how do you get T?
140 minus 60.
That's it.
So T is 80.
Well done. You're a clever cookie. You'll be all right. Let's go for exam question.
Add them. So 10x plus, no, 10x equals 20. So x equals 2. And then 7 minus.
If you have a choice, sub it into the one that doesn't have minuses, because it will be easier, even if the numbers are bigger.
13 minus 14 is minus 1. So 2y equals minus 1. So then y equals minus 0.5.
That's it. And so 2 minus 0.5. Those ones?
T.
B?
Three x minus 6y equals 30.
Not 30.
Oh, it's technically 15.
That's it. You might not need this workout. Okay, how about this one?
Minus.
The problem with that is if you subtract them, you'll be left still with a mix of C's and T's.
Oh, minus 2. Wait. Did you do Yeah, 2c. No, wait. Minus 2.
Hold the phone.
Times the bottom one and then minus 2.
Yeah, times the bottom one by?
2.
What do you get?
2c plus 2t is 12.
And then?
T is 1.
Yeah.
So then C is 5.
Well done. Let's do this one.
Times the bottom by 3. 3x minus 12y is 18.
And we also had the top one.
And then minus them. So then 22y is minus
And these are all calculator.
okay, minus 15. No, minus 25.
Do you have a calculator?
Not on me. Oh.
So,
So then y is minus 2.
what do I do with the calculator?
Divided by 22. Oh, minus 0.5.
Yeah.
Then x 3x plus 5 is 7.
10 times minus a half?
Minus 5.
Yeah.
So then plus 5 is 12. Then 3x is 12, and then x is 4.
Well done. And I chose that one because I knew it would be tricky. Let's see. No, just use your calculator. That one's fine. It's times by 3. Sure. Try this one.
So 1 to 8, 6a plus 9b, and then 6a plus 8b.
That's it. And how would you eliminate something?
Minus
And what would you be left with?
b.
Let's try this one.
So the top one times 4. 20x plus 8y equals 44. And then 20x minus 15y equals 90.
Mm-hmm.
And then minus, so plus 8 plus 15, which is 23.
Mm-hmm.
23y equals 46. And so y equals 2. Minus 2.
Yeah. So y equals minus 2. Okay.
Then 5x minus 4 equals 11. Then plus 4, 5x equals 15. So x equals 3.
Hold on. X equals 3. Y equals minus 2. Again, 4 marker this time. I chose it because it was tricky. So you times the top by 4, bottom by 5. So important thing is you got full marks. Just if you had a calculator, you'd get full marks with your minuses and all that. You got the x's the same. How would you get the y's the same?
Times the top by 3 and the bottom by 2.
And once the y's are the same, how would you have eliminated the y's? What would you have done?
Plus.
Yes. So not only were the numbers smaller, but you'd also be adding instead of subtracting. So you did a more difficult way. You still got full marks. I'm happy. You did a very difficult one. We don't need to do a more difficult one for that type. How about this?
Two x plus 1 equals 9.
Mm-hmm.
So then 2x equals 8. X equals 4.
And they already told us y is 1. How about this?
Um, 2y plus 3y is 15. So 5y is 15. So y is 3. X equals, so x plus 9
Hannah?
is 15. Oh. So x equals 6.
Yeah, much easier one.
So 7y equals 28, and y equals 4. Then x equals 12.
Yep.
Um, 7y minus 1 equals 12.
You're doing a lot in your head. That is x. So it's 7y minus
2.
Yes.
So then 7y equals 10.
Hold on.
Oh, 7y equals 14. So y equals 2. Then x is 3.
Yeah. This one.
Y squared equals equals 9. So then x equals 1.
Okay. So x squared equals 1. So x equals 1?
Yeah, or is it plus minus 1?
Yes. Equals minus 1. And they helpfully told us y is equal to minus 3. Let me just see. Okay, let's do. Very difficult one. Let's do it.
Y squared is 2x squared plus 25.
What does squared mean?
Just times itself.
And how do you, times the bracket by itself. What do you get?
4x squared plus 25 plus 10x plus 10x. Which is 4x squared plus 20x plus 25. So x plus that, no, x squared plus that equals 25. So then minus 25 is x squared plus 4x squared plus 20x equals 0.
What is x squared plus 4x squared?
5x squared. So then Uh, is it like is it the completing the square? Or?
It's basically solving. If there was a number here, you would solve it by factorizing it into two brackets. There's no number there, and so you would factorize it into one bracket.
Oh, 5x squared plus, oh wait, no, 5x and then x plus 4.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and then
So something times something gives you 0. What you know about at least one of them?
that it's
Give me two numbers that multiply to make 0.
0,
And
0.
okay, another 2.
Oh, and 1, and basically anything else.
1 times what equals 0?
1 times 0.
Yes, at least one of the numbers has to be 0. So we've got two things that multiply to make 0. Either the first one is 0 or the second one is 0. Either 5x is equal to 0 or x plus 4 equals 0. If this was in a much harder question and you had double brackets and one of those brackets was x plus 4, you would get the answer right away for this bracket.
Oh, I see. So x equals minus 4.
Yeah. And other possibility? 5 times x equals 0.
X equals minus. Right.
Divide both sides by 5.
X equals 0
Yep.
5.
Yep. 0 divided by 5. 0. It's an easier type, but more people get it wrong. You're just factorizing into a single bracket. And so 5 times something equals 0. So that something has to be the 0. Or the other one would be the 0. Is that full marks?
No. Y equals either 5 or 8 plus 5, 13.
I believe x was minus 4.
Oh, wait, no. Oh, wait, yeah, okay. Minus 8 plus 5, so minus 3.
That's it. Why did I pick such a hard one? Well, gotta do what you gotta do. 6 marker. Hang on. See, do I have this one? See, that last one. Alright, better do this one.
Y squared equals 4x squared plus, no, minus minus 4x minus 4x plus 4, which is 4x squared minus 8x plus 4. So then x squared, no wait, 5x squared.
Okay.
Minus 8x plus 4 equals 25. So then minus 4, 5x squared minus 8x equals 21. And then or would you just get it to equal 0?
Yeah.
So minus 21 equals 0.
How do we solve this? Do you know?
Find one that times to make 21 minus 21 and adds to make minus 8.
So that would be true if it was 1x squared. This is 5x squared. So you have to find two numbers that multiply to make 5 times minus 21. And add to make minus 8. So that's minus 105. What type of calculator do you have? Anything fancy or just normal?
I have the scientific calculator, I think.
How fancy? Class Whiz or old black or pink?
It's just not that one.
Okay, simpler one.
Yeah.
Okay, so can you think of two numbers that multiply to make minus 105? That can be combined to make 8. I got them. Minus 15 and 7. Any idea what you do with those?
Then is it just x equals? Oh wait, x minus 15.
You put it into a bracket like this. So what is A?
5.
Yeah. So what's the brackets?
5x minus 15.
Uh-huh.
5x plus 7.
Over?
X. Oh, wait, no, it's over 5.
Which one of these can be divided by 5?
Minus 15.
So what do you get?
X equals. Oh, wait, no. X minus 3. So then.
And that one stays the same. Solve for x.
X equals 3. Or x equals minus 5 over. No, minus 7 over 5.
Yeah. And that's like 1 point something or other. 1.4. How do we get y?
Sub it in. So y equals 2 times 3 minus 2.
So that one is 4. And the other one?
2 times minus 7 over 5 minus 2.
Okay. And that's minus 4.8. Minus 4.8 or that thing. And that's how you do those. How was that for you, Hannah?
Useful.
Great. Just 'cause I can hear my doorbell. Anything in particular you want to do next time?
Nope. Just some
Okay.
revision.
Okay. And if you don't want to do a revision, if there's some difficult thing you want to do, just tell me. Any questions for me in general?
Nope.
All right. Well done, Hannah. You did great. I look forward to trying again next time.
Thanks.
All right. Have
Bye.
a good one. Goodbye.